In this video, we're going to look at how we can create a high volumes keyword, which is a EMI calculator. We can create easily using AI, these kind of tools. You can see all the animations in a one click. Okay, so if you stick to the end of the video, I'll show you exactly what are the prompts I have used and how you can tackle the technical details and everything, even if you don't know coding and everything. Okay, all it is done by AI, all it is done by prompting. Okay, so guys, right now I have opened 4 tabs, which is a free keyword generator, my WordPress dashboard, which is a new post, and Claude AI, which is a very powerful. I suggest you to use Claude AI if you're creating any tools or software, and Google search. Okay, to analyze my competitors. So let's go look at and search what are tools ranking. Okay, so I can select a country. So as far as you can know, if you use this tool. Okay, now what I'm going to do is go ahead and see my country. Okay, India. Now here, let me search for calculators. Okay, now you can also choose any easy tool. You can also create games, etc., if it has traffic, but most people search for calculators. So let me see what is trending in a calculators. Okay, based on that, and I can go ahead and create. So let it load. Okay, so we have something called home loan calculators and EMI calculators, and so all these easy keywords are, I think it's informational, like people want to know, but we want something transactional, guys. So EMI calculators and home loan calculators are, these are transactionals, and we can also use mortgage calculators. So what I can do is I'm going to go ahead and choose EMI calculators and type in a Google for the keyword. Okay, now here we have from Grow, which is a very popular website, and EMI calculator for home loan we have another. So I'm going to open up three or four tools and go to people's also ask. So I'm going to keep an eye on these keywords. Okay, because this is what we want to rank for. Okay, so these are currently trending keywords, or long tail keywords, LSIs, which we can use to write articles on. Okay, now if I go on Grow and see, we have something called this. Okay, now what I can do is let me zoom out a little bit. So I need to exactly copy this key tool. Okay, what I can do is simply screenshot this, take a screenshot. Okay, take a screenshot and go to Claude and simply paste it here, paste the screenshot which you copied. So you have to give this prompt to the Claude, guys. Hey, I just pasted an image of EMI calculator, and you have to write down in a detail as possible. Okay, so we can see it has a slider, so I'm going to write it has 3 parameters, which are, what's the first one? Loan amount, and second one is rate of interest per annum, rate of interest per annum, and what's the third one? Because we need to be as detailed as possible, loan tenure. I don't know even how it is spelled, loan tenure. There's a graph. For those, it has sliders, and based, okay, once again it has sliders, and then what it is, it has sliders, or this is a pie chart, and pie chart what is this? Minimum amount is 10 million, and the max amount a slider can go is 10 million rupees. Okay, I'm gonna do that. and max rate of interest is 30%. So guys, I'm just being as detailed as possible, okay? And max rate of interest is 30%. And what's next? Loan tenure. Max loan tenure is max loan tenure is, what is it, 30 years? There is a pie chart beside which will show us in infographics pie chart. And I want you to create a same tool for me and add beautify CSS along with good font, and color should be blue or purple. Now I am posting tools on my WordPress where if you give me HTML code, I can paste it. So this is the prompt and I hit enter, and let's see. Okay, so if it does not give us a good code, we can reiterate, and there are many tools. Okay, so in the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and copy these keywords. Okay, all these keywords. So what are these keywords? New tab and paste in the, okay, so these are the long tail keywords. Okay, now let me add it in a new line. So we'll choose a good title for this. At the end we can choose the good title for this. So let us see what the code is doing. Okay, so look at that, guys. Interest, loan tenure. Okay, so I think it missed something. So it missed the loan amount, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it. You missed loan amount at the top, and also make this fluid, make the animation fluid, and the tool should be small, not big. Okay, let's wait. So let's wait, it's adjusting. So in the meantime, give a new line, type in custom HTML. Okay, so now it has given me, okay, now it has given me, now this animation is good. So what I can do is copy the code, go to the code, copy the content. Okay, now go to the add post, go to the custom HTML and paste it and preview. Now if I head over to preview in new tab, okay, right now it's mixed up. So guys, I just told it that I'm posting in WordPress custom HTML, but it is disrupting my design. Like shown in the image, I have posted an image of this thing, and I asked, I want you to properly write the code without disrupting my blog design, and the tool should stay in the division itself. Now it has given me something. I understand the issue you are facing. The current implementation is likely interfering with the WordPress theme styling layout. To address this, we need to make an EMI calculator for self-contained, prevent it from affecting the surface. Here's the updated version. Okay, all right. Now what I can do is just simply copy. Okay, I'm going to copy entire thing copy this, go here, try to paste it, and preview, save as a draft, and I go to preview tab, and bingo, we have the calculator. But the pie chart is not visible, so let me mitigate that. This version is good. I'm gonna write this version is good, but the only problem, okay, I'm gonna write more specific, this version fixed, but the only problem is it is not showing pie chart. But other than that, everything is working right. No pie chart, and it is not functioning. Okay, we have hit the rate limit. Oh my god. So no problem, we are in a ChatGPT. Okay, let's ChatGPT do the work for us. So here I'll copy all this content. So I'm gonna write, there is a problem in this code. It fixed my WordPress theme issues by staying in a division itself. But the problem is it is not functioning, and pie chart is not visible. So I'm gonna paste the code. So this is the code. So hit enter, and let's wait for our ChatGPT to solve everything for us. Okay. So guys, if you ask me what the division is, so we call something called it's a division. Okay, one block of code is called division. Okay. Now it's still performing. So let's look at other calculators. Okay, now let's copy and go to the HTML code and fix this. But anyway, we got the calculator, but what we can do is instead at the beginning we have got the, so I will do one thing, guys. I will do one thing. So I'm gonna view this and copy this and paste it here, save, preview. Okay, I didn't get the preview. So let it load. Okay. Now what I can do is put it in a division. So I will ask it. So this is the code, and for some reason this tool is disrupting my WordPress theme design. It's maybe because of the division. So I want you to embed this in a division so that I can copy paste into my custom HTML WordPress. This is the code. I have encapsulated the entire EMI calculator code within the division div, stripping away unnecessary tags like document or HTML tag. Okay, fine. I hope this gets resolved. So if not, we're gonna also look at these separate calculators and how we can do it. So let me copy this, go here, remove this, paste it here, preview. Still I'm getting no pie chart. So it's a saving, new tab, Finally guys, finally. Okay, there you go. We have created the your SEO tool. Okay, now what you can do is, based on this keyword, these are search queries for this tool. I want you to write an SEO optimized blog article targeting people who are looking for these keywords. Copy paste the keyword, make the article, conversational, and separate line by line, give proper headings, and first person perspective, active tone. So there you go. So this is it guys, this is it, how you do it. Okay, so after the article is generating, okay, you have to copy paste in a Word document and verify yourself, like verify if there is any factual data, verify, and then paste it in a, first you paste the tool and then you go after all these things. Okay, now you can say maybe it's a 400 to 500 words, so pretty much. Now on the other hand, you can also do like this, you can also go to ChatGPT. Okay, so I'm gonna take this entire thing, take this image, copy paste the image, replicate this, and give me custom HTML code for my post on WordPress. If you put your mind to like creating all this calculator, there are many calculators. Okay, RBS mortgage calculators, mutual funds, and if I even select the other state. So the more you fine tune, if you know a little bit of coding, you can, so it has even added the call to action. Guys, this is how we create tool. Okay,